star. Her glory is always sufficient for me. Such as pillow I hold when I go. Her hands remind me the things she shared. Are a constant reminder the silence from my head. In laughter, echo, and silent shirt, each heart gives us one forever bird. Roots deep as memory, rising like a dove above. Family is the circle where always born of love. The birds fly so high and free. A little child look up to see, watching wings soar in the sky, hoping dreams will never die. Oh, carry forth my heartfelt grief, so that I, the child, will be, rejoicing as I look above, with effort full by hope and love. The room, a field of faces blooming light, but frost fingers freeze my spine. Unseated joy, a lantern burning to light, while the cradle the spring where the joke has been. A dream stands waiting at the edge, where daylight meets the blue. Its voice a call not loud, but clear. I'm here, come follow through. Not chasing haste, but held in heart. Like fire that softly burns, it waits for feet to find the path where hope and passion burn. Your stars are maps, not marks of shame. Each one a badge, each one a dream. You walk through earth and still you break. That's the power most will never see. So let them doubt and let them stare. I carry love that doesn't scare. This journey race won't break or bow. I fight for you and I fight now. It lives in moments small and bright, a spark that turns the dark to light. A whisper, don't be afraid. My inspiration never